Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Just Shake or Steer, my home bar. My name is Georgi. For everybody who just tuned in, and for everybody else, welcome back. Nice to have you. As it's still the season of blood orange, kind of going to the end, I decide to drop a few cocktails for you just so you can use or make the most of it, of the season of blood orange, because it's absolutely delicious. And why not? Why not make something to elevate the beautiful pickup of the weather, or at least it was last week. Now it started raining again and it's freezing in UK, but hopefully not for long. So my lovely friends, if you're ready to shake, steer and sip, let me show you 3 wonderful cocktails using blood orange. Now today we're making 3 cocktails. One of them is Garibaldi, which is a very old cocktail and most of you probably know. It's basically a bitter aperitivo with orange juice, but today we're replacing the regular orange juice with a blood orange. And of course I'm gonna add something extra, just gonna kind of make a twist on a Garibaldi, and I hope you're gonna like it because it's absolutely delicious. The second cocktail, it will be a little riff on the Sicilian Negroni, which is absolutely fantastic as well as it is, but I'm gonna add a little bit something extra as well. And finally, we made very recently kind of a blood orange margarita, but today we are going to do a blood orange Mezcalita, and the mezcal is quite interesting as well. So if you're ready, let's see what is the ingredients for today. First of all, for our Garibaldi, we are going to using Select Venetian bitter aperitivo. We're gonna skip the Campari here and we're going with the Select. I think it's worked fantastic well with the blood orange juice. For our Sicilian Negroni, we are going to use London Dry Gin, Campari, and of course a freshly squeezed blood orange juice. But here is a little kind of a twist what I'm making with the recipe. I'll be adding a little bit of blood orange syrup. Now, finally, for the Mezcalita, the blood orange Mezcalita, we're using Hoyo de Dios mezcal with hibiscus. We are using homemade blood orange liqueur, a homemade bitter orange syrup. It's a citrusy, it's mix of oranges, blood oranges and lemon peels, and it's created with a lovely maceration, which you can see on Mixology Hacks. And finally, we are gonna need some lime juice. So kind of a good selection. Just to mention, the blood orange liqueur, the blood orange syrup and the bitter orange syrup, it's all on Mixology Hacks. Let's crack on because we have 3 cocktails to do, and we are going to start with the Sicilian Negroni. As you can see, I'm preparing a shaker because yes, the Sicilian Negroni, it's shaken, it's not stirred. So we're gonna start fairly easy, equal ingredients, and we are starting with 30 ml of each, or a 1 ounce. So starting with the gin, then we move to the Campari, again 30 ml or 1 ounce. And finally, our blood orange juice, freshly squeezed, to be honest, today, beautiful, look at how dark it is. So only 30 ml or a 1 ounce. And finally, the little twist, which I mentioned earlier, just a 15 ml or a half an ounce of the wonderful blood orange syrup. Few cubes of ice. You don't need too much ice when you're shaking this, you just need to dilute and a little bit chill because it will be served over ice anyway, so you'll be absolutely fine. Give it a quick shake and we'll serve. Beautiful. And while I'm putting this fantastic little jam, the Sicilian Negroni, don't forget about the Bartender Lounge, don't forget about the Patreon, all the links in the description. As always, the Bartender Lounge, it's absolutely free to join, so come and join us, share some recipes, meet some lovely people, and yeah, come have some fun. So fill up your glass with ice, get your strainer, and no double straining here. Directly strain your cocktail. It doesn't need to be full, it just needs a lot of ice because we want to keep it nice and chill. Just gonna give a little stir. Fabulous. And for a garnish, all you need to do, it's a lovely blood orange wedge. And this, my lovely friends, it's the Sicilian Negroni with a little twist. Cheers. Oh, it's just, oh, fantastic, bitter, fruity. It's so good with this orange, with the blood orange inside. It's absolutely amazing. But let's move to the next one, and we are going to do the blood orange Mezcalita. Now, we need to prepare first the glass. So for this, I'm gonna grab one of my blood orange wedges, which is gonna go as a garnish anyway, and just gonna rim the glass from outside with a beautiful 4 citrus salt. Again, you can find out how to make this salt on Mixology Hacks, but it's basically dehydrated lime, lemon, orange and grapefruit, then blended, mixed with the Scottish sea salt like a flakes, and create this wonderful citrus salt to use on margaritas, or maybe cook if you want with it. It's fantastic. Anyway, so put the glass on the side. We're going to start with our Hoyo de Dios, and this is mezcal with hibiscus. Absolutely fantastic. So we start with 45 ml or ounce and a half of the mezcal. Then we're going to our blood orange liqueur, 15 ml or a half an ounce. Fantastic. Of course, we need some lime juice. It's margarita or mezcalita. Anyway, we need a little bit of zestiness. So we are going with 15 ml or a half an ounce of the lime juice. And here is the thing, instead of doing any other sweeteners, I'm gonna use my bitter orange, like a bittersweet syrup. So I'm gonna go with a 15 ml or a half an ounce. And finally, we need the blood orange juice, which is going to be 30 ml or 1 ounce. Just a few cubes, don't need a full shaker. Just give it a good shake and we're gonna serve. Beautiful. Right, I hope you like the new merch. I really love it and I'm gonna stick with it, I think. But yeah, I hope you do. And if you do, you know where to find it, yeah? So lots of ice in your glass. You need to fill up your glass with ice because we are serving this over ice. It needs to be nice and chill. Beauty. And of course, final touch, we're gonna drop a lovely wedge of blood orange inside. And this, my lovely friends, is the wonderful blood orange Mezcalita. Cheers! It's a beautiful drink. In the summer, by the pool. Absolutely fantastic. Let's make the last one and we are done for today. So the last one, no shaking, no stirring, nothing. We need a blender. If you ever made Garibaldi, you know Garibaldi, it's made with blended juice. So it's a dry blend and just to air the juice. So depends of the oranges, you can get a lot of froth or just a little bit, depends. Now with the blood orange, you won't get that much, but it's still airing really nice. So it's gonna make it lighter, frothy, really, really delicious to drink. So all we need inside is 100 ml of the blood orange juice. You don't need more. In general, if you just do the Garibaldi without anything else, if you just do the juice and the bitter, you can go with 120 ml of the juice, which is what, 4 ounces? But we're going with 100 ml here, which is just a little bit over 3 ounces, okay? So we're gonna give it a quick blast just to air the juice, because this cocktail is basically built in the glass directly. But you need to give a nice quick blast of the juice. So there you go. Fantastic. That will do. Blender can go away. Grab your glass, and what you're gonna do is first put 2-3 cubes of ice in your glass. In this case, I'm just gonna put 2. A little bit of the juice. So just a little bit, just to have a space for the bitter aperitivo, and obviously we're gonna stir a little bit. So I'm gonna grab my Select. Of course, if you don't have the Select, use Campari. It's absolutely fine. I'm just saying with the Select it's worked much better because it's a different type of bitterness. It's more mild, the Select. So 45 ml or 1.5 ounces of the Select. And here the Garibaldi is finished. It's usually have around 5 to 7.5 ml of a sugar syrup, but we are going to use a 15 ml or a 1/2 ounce of the blood orange syrup. So if it's blood orange, to be a blood orange all the way through, okay? Fabulous. So just a gentle stir, just so you incorporate the ingredients. Fill up your glass with ice. There you go. And pour the rest of the orange juice on the top. Beautiful. And finally, again, we are going to garnish this with a nice blood orange wedge on the top. And depends how you prefer. I do think it's better to drink it with a straw, but if you want to just drink it like that, it's entirely up to you. I'm gonna use a wonderful glass straw from Surfside Sip. Every time I'm having difficulty saying this, but yeah. Cheers, my lovely friends. This is the blood orange Garibaldi with a little twist of blood orange syrup, homemade. Very important. I can make a jars of this. Literally, I can absolutely make a jars of this and just have it all the time. But there you go. Your 3 cocktails of the day. So we have the Sicilian Negroni with a little twist. Then we have the blood orange Mezcalita with a lovely, keep forgetting the name, Ojo de Dios Mezcal with hibiscus, which is making it really nice. It's have this kind of a fruity flavor to it. And of course, the one and only Garibaldi, but blood orange Garibaldi again, with the homemade ingredients inside. So don't forget, if you want to learn how to make the blood orange liqueur, the syrup and the bitter sweet syrup, the orange bitter sweet syrup, check Mixology Hacks channel. But otherwise, go get some blood oranges before they disappear for pretty much another year, and go prep some of these cocktails. Make the liqueur so you have some for the summer and enjoy whatever you do. I'll see you next time with another cocktail, who knows what. But until then, as always, stay safe, I love you, and I leave you. Bye bye.